I'm just gonna chill here.
You're not coming?
Just grab me a muffin and like some pumpkin spice.
Dude, every morning we have to go through this?
I'm driving, it's my gas, dude. You guys
What do you
got
want?
it.
What do you want?
I told you, a muffin and some pumpkin spice.
Okay.
Perfection won't do you no good when you're drowning cause you're out of breath. And I say that nah. And if you wanna have a banana, go ahead, it tastes just fine. And if you wanna
Dude, is he asleep? Yeah. He's asleep, bastard. What do you got?
Oh, wake up call.
Oh, wake up call. Let's do it.
It's gonna be awesome.
Now that's a wake-up call.